step is to create your own account by getting into scratch.mit.edu, where you can either sign into your account if you already have, or you can join Scratch by deciding a unique username and password. Don't forget to confirm the password through your email.
Now, in order to share your project, you need to first log into your account, which you have already done it, and then you will click on the My Stuff option. So you will open up with a screen like the normal create a project. And if you have recently did not make any project, so you can upload your project from the file menu, and you can go to load from your computer option. And for example, I want to upload a particular project like Avatar 1, and your project will appear here within the screen. Now, if I want to share my particular project with the Scratch community or with a particular friend of yours, then you will go to the My Stuff button and click on the My Stuff option, and you should have a look into the screen like the projects that you have already created or uploaded from the computer. On the left hand side, it will give you a list of the projects, like how many projects are shared, how many projects are unshared, or how many projects are in the trash. So these information will be there on the left hand side. You have an option to delete the unwanted project, but in order to share the project, you have to go again to the project link. So for example, the Avatar 1. So I'll click on the Avatar 1 again, okay? And it will take you to this particular window. Here you should find an option of share if the project is not yet shared. So first of all, you can write some instructions about the project. So I can write the project name as Avatar. And here, if you want to give any credits to anyone, or you want to add any extra information, you can add this one. So then I can click the button share. So now your project is shared in the Scratch community. But if you want to share this particular project with any of your friends, then you can press the link of copy link, and you should get this menu, and then you can copy the particular project link. So this link, so you can copy link and share the link either through the email or WhatsApp or any other social media. You can share your project. I hope that you're able to share your project very soon. Thank you for your understanding.